Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pod SE, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation to gestures and gestures to 3-button navigation. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section you need to scroll down and find the option System. Then go to Gestures and tap on Navigation Mode. So if you've got the gestures and you'd like to set 3-button navigation, simply tap on this option here. Your device will immediately show 3 buttons. You can also tap on this settings icon and decide whether you want to use the option Hold Home for Assistant just by using the switcher. And if you'd like to set the gesture navigation, just mark it, so tap on it. You will have this line instead of the 3 buttons. You can also tap on the settings icon. You can swipe to invoke assistant or manage the bug sensitivity. Or you can try a demo, so you can go through the tutorial of how to use it. If you want to get back to the previous page, just swipe your finger from the side to the center, like that. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.